Hi, I'm John Lewis with Shoreline Truck Parts. In this video, we're going to talk about the fresh air intake, part number 589480. And what I want to do in this video is clear up some confusion about this part. We're just going to briefly talk about what trucks it fits, why you need to replace it, and we're going to talk about the different parts that go in it. So thank you again for watching, and we're going to get to it. This fresh air intake, the purpose of it is to allow fresh air from the outside to come inside your cab. So if you want to just recirculate your air, you could push your button, flip a switch, and it will close the door in there and allow the air to stay outside your cab and just recirculate the air inside your cab. But if you want to get fresh air, you don't want wind blowing in your ear because you have the window rolled down, then you can use your fresh air intake instead and allow that fresh air in. The reason why you'd want to replace this is maybe it's cracked or it's sustained some damage, and so you want to get it replaced. This style of fresh air you'll find on your W900s, your T800s, T600s, T450s, T400s, and such. And from the year about 1987 to at least 2022, those trucks would have those years of trucks would have this style fresh air intake installed on them. The T300s and your T660s would have a different fresh air intake style. We're not talking about that today. But yeah, so those are the years that this would fit on. As well, if you have a 1984 through 86 W990B, if you notice on your truck, there's actually a metal fresh air intake on the side. Actually, the box shape is slightly different than this. This unit will not fit those. However, we do have a box for those years of trucks. I'll have that in the description below. So if you're looking for, replace your fresh air, replace your box for those years, we do have a solution for that. Well, let's talk about what goes inside of here, and this is where the confusion happens. When we've had people purchase this fresh air intake, expecting it to have everything they absolutely needed, not knowing that there are extra parts in here, and they have to be sold separately because it depends on if your box has a air operated actuator in it or an electronic actuator. If it has electronic actuator, it's a slightly different style door, and I do have, this is an electronic actuated door that I have here. We make ours in stainless so they won't rust and they won't rot out on you. So there's that. The air operated actuator is a little bit different, has a different style tab in here, it's in different positioning. Just information for you to know, there are differences in that, and that's where the confusion comes in. And so if you go to buy this and you don't get all your parts, that's why they're sold separately. So what we've done to give you guys a simple solution is we're going to start selling these in kits. So if you need one for your air operated truck, then there you go. Here's a kit for you. We'll have the fresh air intake with all the little parts that go inside pre-installed for you. All you have to do is mount it to your box and you're ready to go. If it's electronic, same thing. We'll have all the pieces, including the actuator rod, the rod that goes to the actuator and connects to the door itself. So we'll have that all pre-installed for you. Again, all you have to do is install it to the box. If you are going to replace, if you're looking to replace this, you need your box replaced, know that we do make these in stainless steel with the fresh air intake attached or without. Depending on whatever you need, we got you covered. So again, you can find those links below. Again, thank you very much. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you need anything, feel free to reach out. Our phone number, 616-834-1503. Again, that's 616-834-1503. You can call that number or text it, and we will respond back to you. All right, thank you very much, and have a great day.